The idea of uploading your consciousness to a computer once sounded like pure sci-fi. Now it feels like a business model. Welcome to GadInsider, your place for the latest tech news. Tech giants are racing to build more powerful AI systems, and the next step may not just be smarter chatbots, but digital versions of you. According to reports, Meta has explored patenting a system that could use a large language model to recreate someone's online persona after they die. Right now, Facebook allows families to memorialize an account, freezing it in time like a digital photo album. But imagine something far more lifelike, an AI that posts, comments, reacts, and chats exactly like your late grandmother would. Not instantly, of course. If grandma usually took weeks to respond, the AI would wait. If she loved heart emojis and posted cake icons on everything, it would too. For a split second, it might feel like she's still there, but Meta hasn't launched anything like this yet. With billions pouring into AI and rivals like OpenAI, Microsoft, and Google pushing hard, the potential of recreating voices, faces, and personalities is nearing fast. We're already conversing with AI therapists, AI partners, and AI companions. Although we know they're not real, but we connect with them anyway. Hollywood warned us. In Transcendence, a dying scientist uploads his mind into a machine with catastrophic results. Reality may be less explosive, but more unsettling. A world where grief is softened by simulation. Truth is, we've already fed the machines. Our texts, posts, videos, voice notes, they're digital breadcrumbs. Even if you delete your accounts tomorrow, the data trail exists. And when your time comes, an AI version of you could be waiting in the cloud, ready to like, comment, and remember. For more tech updates, subscribe to GadInsider. Like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.